Today we're gonna make a bag. We need a A4 size paper and a glue. We will take the paper, we will take this edge and we will line it here a little space from this edge. And with the glue, we will glue this part with it. And now we will take this edge and we will line it here. We will just take this part down and here we will fold that to the and now we will take this edge, we will bring it to here. And we will take this edge, we will bring it here. We will unfold this step and we'll put some glue here. And now we will glue it with the back. And now we will take this and we will bring it here. And we will do the same step. Now we will fold it back. We will open and this will push it in. And we will do the same step on the other side. And here we go, we made a bag. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.